My dad is not super, how would I say this? He's not great on maintenance, not preventive maintenance. He'll fix it after, but no preventive maintenance. For one Christmas, we gave him a chainsaw as a gift. And then that kind of had a snowball effect. He bought land, and then he bought a tractor, and then he bought one of those log loaders. And then that's when we started logging. He never did the maintenance on that tractor. He never changed the engine oil, ever. I'm the oldest of 5 kids, and I had to go logging. Like, it wasn't a question of you can or can't. I had to go. So yeah, I think it was to instill that work ethic into us. That start working at a young age and work hard for what you want in life. I mean, it worked on me because I started working really early. Like at some point, I was going logging by myself at maybe 16, 17 years old. And yeah, I just started working really young and never really stopped. Then, that's how I bought my first quad at 14. From there, I had a few friends that had started quad racing, and so that seemed interesting. So I got into it, and then from there, my brother got into it, and then my sister, and then we started racing as a family. So most weekends, well, if I wasn't working, we'd go out racing. We blew up the engine twice, I believe, in the first couple summers. And we didn't know much about mechanics or whatever. So we'd send the quad to the Yamaha dealership. And back then, that's a long time ago, it would cost us about $2,000 every time to fix it. And after 2 times, obviously I didn't have the money to fix that. And my dad was like, well, you're gonna have to learn it because I won't be paying $2,000 every weekend, right? So that's when we really got into using tools and fixing stuff. It was basic tools, honestly. It was like DIY quality tools. When you get to use them more, you can actually tell there's a difference between a DIY grade tool and a professional grade tool. So I grew up with DIY grade tools. I started Olsa Tools with tool organizers. The first product was a magnetic hex bit organizer, which was kind of again a passion of me for both organization and tools. And I believe in 2018, we also started selling hand tools. And yeah, I mean, I'm really proud of that because I myself am the target audience for this. Like, obviously there's also pro mechanics. We have a lot of professional mechanics as customers, but then you also have this DIYer guy that wrenches on weekends and wants the professional grade tool. Olsa Tools sells that professional grade tool, but for a way lower price than the tool truck. So really, you're getting the best bang for your buck, right? But I still enjoy motorsports in general. Anything with an engine, I just really enjoy. So again, just being in nature while doing something cool is just, I don't know, really relaxing to me and super fun. I also enjoy logging here and there. I don't do it as much as when I was a kid, obviously, but yeah, just for fun. I think there's something to be proud of in maintaining your own machines, whether it's a quad or heavy duty machinery, whatever, car. I think there's just something that, I don't know, it's just fulfilling to do yourself. Not only do you save money, but you learn stuff, you can show your kids, you can, if something happens on the road or in the bush and you're by yourself, you can fix it, right? I have 3 daughters. 2 of them, I think, came in and they were like, "Oh, Dad, what are you doing?" And I was just changing the oil, right? And they're like, "Oh, cool, I want to learn." And so they have that curiosity, and I just want to feed that curiosity. I really like the saying, nurture your nature. So not trying to push, what's not in them, but if there is some kind of curiosity, then hey, like, why not help them find their own passion, help them find their own fulfillment from working with their hands, whether that's mechanical work or something else. But I think it's important to teach them that. But the fact that they were interested in that, I was like, that's pretty cool. I can teach them how to use our own tools. That's our family brand, right? So that's a cool feeling for sure. I want people to know that we worked really hard to get them the best value product they could get.